Here we are at 3 Longland Court in Woorim, an exceptional coastal retreat. 700 square metres of flat, usable land, 4 bedrooms, open plan living, open plan kitchen, dining and lounge flows through together. Outside we have 2 carport, a double carport, plus a spot for your caravan if you're into caravanning or motorhoming. This property is unique in that it's in a cul-de-sac street, a quiet cul-de-sac street in beautiful Woorim. Very rare, so please don't miss out on the opportunity to come and see this property. 3 Longland Court in Woorim.
So hold on to these promises, laying at our feet every second